So let's get started. I already let my shrimp thaw out in the sink, so I'm finna wash
What?
and season it. Now I'm about to season the shrimp. We have onion powder. Knock out tahini. Sweet and savory sauce. Paprika. I smell so much lime seasoning. It's crazy. I went walking yesterday and it was so hot. I picked the hottest time to go outside and walk. And it was 90 some degrees. Mind you, I'm disabled, so it didn't make it worse because it take longer for me to walk. I was out there sweating bullets, bro. And then as I was where I was at the store, they had closed off a road and started construction. So in my maps, it went reroute. So I got lost, bro. I started spazzing out. But some lovely people helped me. God bless them. And I made it home. I'm gonna add some nutritional yeast. Okay. Take it like a stir fry. And we have our bowl. Green onions. Alright, bye.